Alright, hi guys! Welcome to part 2 of my little mini makeover craft room series. Today I'm going to be focusing on my closet. I'm going to be showing you guys some decluttering, I'll be building some furniture, and I'm going to be making it really nice and pretty with these Pioneer Women stickers. So let's get started. And this is everything I'm donating. Okay, so it's the next day. I have everything I need to build a unit for my closet. I'm basically going to be building this exact same unit for my closet. Very happy with this. Fits perfect. And now for the doors and the drawers. Alright you guys, it is day 3. This is the third day of my 3-day weekend, so I have to get this done today. I have my drawers that I'm going to put in my cabinet, or whatever you call it, my organizer in the closet, so I'm gonna get that done. I have the doors to put on, and then I should be just about finished. Alright, all the drawers are ready to go in our organizer.